Hello beauties, welcome again to When This Ties. Important events always call for show-stopping hairstyles that not just only make you look, your best, but also leave that lasting impression. So we are in the Amber month. The month is the year is about rounding up. So as we prepare for significant gatherings like this month, next month, this is the perfect time to really explore some alluring short hairstyles that will help you, to stand out and feel confident. You can see this beautiful hairstyle. You can see it's so captivating, and it's a beautiful, elegant, and chic option for women to create for that important event. Take a good look on this hair. Is a timeless choice for that formal event. Just opt for those kind of hairstyle to make you look rich and make you look elegant. Just you can see it will always complement your skin tone. I would love this hairstyle for beautiful matured women. It will really suit their personal style, and this is an epitome of glamour, because you can see the sparkle and shine, making it look so perfect for that special occasion. So whether you want it, tapered, or you want it pixie, or any style of your choice, this kind of style will add that alluring and festive touch, to your look. This is also a fashionable choice for beautiful black women. You can see how this hair exudes confidence and sophistication. It's a unique hairstyle that will make you look modern and beautiful. Just channel that inner beauty by opting for those beautiful hairstyle. You can see his dramatic details and his haircut that really radiates class, and sophistication. And one thing with the style is that they are captivating, and they will add volume to your hair, and is a versatile short hairstyle that will always make you look gorgeous. So if you're really confused on the kind of hairstyle that will make you look elegant this season, or hairstyle that is with that luxury and elegance, please make this hairstyle an ideal one for that occasion, because today we have carefully selected about 15 short hairstyles that will make beautiful black women to look beautiful and classy, or you want to look like the boss lady. This hairstyle, is what will give you that shine and style and leave that lasting impression on those around you. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Stay locked to wearing the styles, and see you guys in my next video.
Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know you belong to the stars. You're the reason why I work so hard. Angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know that I'ma never meet up, baby, but I'll keep on trying. But deep down I know I'ma never meet up, but I will keep on trying. If you need to go somewhere else, you can. If you need to love someone else, it's fine. Deep down I know I can never meet up. Deep down I know. And you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. And you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You can go and be happy. I'ma let you go be happy. You deserve more than I can ever give. You deserve. I know, say you get toasters, many in our Benz. Say me, all I really have are my legs. All I really have is a heart and cards. But baby, deep down, I know that's not enough. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. Deep down, I feel bad, but I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. Deep down I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I've been told that love is about sacrifices. I didn't know that the time will come for mine. Oh, it hurts so bad. Now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. Oh, 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 oh. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go, now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. Oh, 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 oh. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go be happy. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish.